Greetings, welcome to Kilopi project channel. Today I will show you how to use Pathfinder. Click on the compass and go to Pathfinder's page. Simply, this is a voting app. This page contains the votes for the video to be shot on Cem Tosun's YouTube channel. There are two boxes and two functions. Pathfinder uses lob tokens to vote and create projects. You can vote for existing projects or you can create a project request. The highest amount voted project in this week will start to be examined by Cem Tosun. When you come to right side, you will find list published videos. Click on it. Page loads depends for Harmony blockchain intensity. When you clicked on a project's name, you can reach review videos.
Videolarda anlattığım hiçbir şey yatırım.
When a project video got shot, lob tokens split. Some parts go to Cem Tosun's wallet, some parts go for staking, some parts go for burn. Thanks for watching. Hit like button and comments for below.